friend, welcome to a new video. You learn from Llama Designer. So today a quick video tutorial, but all that after this short break. Today my friend, I'm going to show you this beautiful website for the designer. So it's called size.com, like this. What is this website is social media sizes. Like you know, there is every time new social media site and new rule and also new size. This website will give you the size for every social media. So like you see here, just if you click in, then it. So like you see all these apps, App Store, Behance, Facebook, Google Play, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Product Hunt, Snapchat, Spotify, TikTok, Tumblr, and Twitch, Twitter, VK, WhatsApp, YouTube. Okay, so for example, if you want to search for YouTube, so just click on the icon here, like you see YouTube social media sites, get all the social media sites and download example. What is beautiful about this website is that you can download the file PSD and IA. So after that you can just do your design. So like you see here, YouTube company banner size, YouTube display size, YouTube channel cover picture size, profile picture size, thumbnail size, and cover photo size. Okay, also for Facebook here, like you see Facebook cover photo size, video size, link image, link post size, profile picture size, group photo, event image, story ad size, and new feed. So for example, are here in the story ad size, and like you see, you can download this IE and PSD. So Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop. Let's try the two of them. So let's download the IE. So it's very simple to download. Just click on it and you get the file. Okay, save. We do the same for the PSD. Save. Let's open. Like you see here, you can now make your design. The same for PSD. Like you see, you can now change and make your own design. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel if you're new. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.